you reckon's cooler? Over the shoulder or anxious tourist?
Do you tourist? Yeah, tourist. Tourist.
Don't steal my stuff, guys. Got full coverage.
If you fall over as well, you're covered both ways.
Yeah.
Don't do that though.
Don't do that.
Welcome back to the daily vlog. It is our last full day on our camper road trip. Not the end of the trip by any means, because we are going to Sydney afterwards and then going somewhere after that, which I'll tell you about later on. But this is our last full day with the camper motorhome, and we're spending it by doing exactly what TLC have always told us not to do: chasing waterfalls. And the waterfalls we're going to check out are called Minnehaha Falls, which is just in the sort of Blue Mountains region. We've just driven here, but it's a little bit of a walk to get down to the waterfall. King of the world! Aha! Think we'd be able to get the drone up there, but we did, and it was worth it. I hope it looks great. The waterfall here is class, but don't by any means underestimate how cold that water is. When you see it on the GoPro, it is really that cold. It's like ice.
What do you reckon? Next step up those rocks? Go for the big jump?
What a lovely way to spend an afternoon.
Top draw.
Top draw.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Fantastic.
Experience.
Should we go check out those three sisters?
Let's go have a look at them.
So we've just got to the Three Sisters lookout point. Wait until you get a look at this. These are the three sisters right here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Deborah, Stephanie and Sheila. I made that last bit up. I don't know about you, mate, but I think that might be my favourite photo mission we've ever done.
Yeah, it's just one of the all-time great days.
Incredible. What a day to finish on.
Yeah.
Waterfalls, swimming hole,
Swimming hole.
amazing sunset over the Blue Mountains. Robbie, I reckon you took about 7,500 photos, but they're all at class.
My card's got to be full. Like, I can't stop looking at it, and I can't stop clicking the button.
I don't think I could have thought of a better way to end our little camper trip, because this is our last day in the camper. As I said before, we continue to do Sydney and then somewhere else after that, but last day in the camper where we're free roaming, road tripping around the east coast of Australia. It has been great.